restoration process has taken long because the Kingdom of Buganda had to ensure that essential cultural and spiritual practices were strictly adhered to.
So when you say that I spoke to, let's say, Kabaka Daudi Chua, it's odd for somebody else. You know, you're dealing with the living, you're dealing with the dead.
Era omukyalo oyo bakazi kubawo yakola obuvumu ku baffe mwanga ng'akomezebwawo e Buganda. Bwe yazaamirayo eri kabaka waffe yalamba akalaame abantu ke batamanya abeeri mu shesherizi n'ateekako akalaame n'abagamba abataka be yategeeza emmengo abaaliwo mu kiseera ekyo ti bwe mubikkulanga enjole ya kabaka mu kifo bwe muti bwe baaziika ne mujjayo enjole eyo ne mulaba akalambe mu kifo bwe wati mumanyanga ye kabaka waffe.
Can we take on Kasubi Tombs as an icon for the bigger Buganda? Yes, it's possible. Not that because it's for the Buganda.
We appreciate the financial support we received from the governments of Uganda, Japan, Norway, and UNESCO through the World Heritage Fund.
As soon as the announcement was made that Kasubi has been taken off the danger list,
you had visitors.
Visitors started coming in. As soon as a week after, visitors started coming in. They wanted to visit the site.
Do you know one of the reasons why Buganda's constitution was never written? Buganda's constitution was never written, even when we learned how to read and write. Up to now, the no. It is because we have come to realize that anything written can easily be destroyed.
In Mutesa's original words, he was fond of saying like, my country, ensi yange fuse muyunganda.
I don't know what that means.
Muyunga is like a joint of wombs. My country has become a joint of wombs. Now I've brought people from different parts of the country. They have now come together to join my country. So that's where maybe the name Uganda comes from when we compare.
They always whisper their wishes to God through their ancestors. There's no way you could jump your ancestral chain and go direct to the heavenly God. That's being disrespectful of God's creation.
They never gave us Christianity because they love us so much, but they had intentions. They soften your heart, please forgive, what, then they take your land. And you remain calm, you don't even fight back.
In the process of rebuilding, I have had to deal with history. I've had to deal with the future. I've had to deal with what the Baganda call Masengere. I've had to deal with the judges, the different elders. I've had to deal with mediums, the Congos, the carriers of the past Kabakas.
Generally, Africa, we have lost a lot of skills, traditions, and norms. I think it is because of the it's a problem of brain welfare, that people tend to think that what has come today is better than what was here.
I think that is where we are missing out on a lot. That is why you see someone might be surprised when Jonathan says that Kasubi is among the top three.
The top three, yeah.
Because we don't see it.
The ritual which sparked, I think, the world, it was we were reaching 2015. Putting in the center pole of this hut. It had its own particular rituals which are done unto him, how it was uprooted, how it was brought here. Even the engineers were quite amazed with that full process. Yeah. Now it was two-way. People, all like the custodians of culture had to play their work.
Era n'atuwa empagi bulungi n'ekulembera olutabaalo n'agamba mugende ennyumba yejja kuggwa era ssebe ewedde.